Well, I'm on my way home. This is the lake. This is the road I'm riding along. I'm not riding yet, though. Here I go. Wait a minute. Okay, this is my scenery for this evening. Lake down there. Riding with one hand. Pretty. Very nice. This is what's in front of me. This is on the other side of me. Houses. This is another deserted road. So that's why I got the camera out. And my battery's going dead. There's the bike. There I am. Riding the bike. Look at that. Woo. Beautiful, beautiful day. Beautiful evening. I haven't even had supper yet. But I'm on my way home now. I worked up an appetite. So I'll be getting home shortly. Only about maybe a mile and a half from my house at this point. 10 miles on the bike. I've been on the bike an hour and 5 minutes, and I have gone 12 miles. So winding down. See ya.